Hello, my name is Joe Goodman and this is the Audi Q4 e-tron. The Q4 e-tron is the latest fully electric vehicle to join the e-tron lineup. All Audi models follow our number badging system to help easily identify power denominations across the range. The Q4 e-tron is available as the 35 170 PS and 40 204 PS rear-wheel drive power configurations with WLTP range of up to 316 miles. The EV Q4 follows the same trim levels as seen from the rest of the Audi range, with the models starting with the Sport at just over £40,000 and at the latter end of the range is the fully specified Vorsprung. The Q4 offers fantastic standard options from the Sport model up, with equipment such as 19-inch alloy wheels, 10.1-inch MMI navigation display with Audi Virtual Cockpit, heated front seats with 3-zone climate control and the latest Audi safety and driving systems such as Audi Presense and cruise control with speed limiter. A slight change to the previous EV models is the movement to one charging point of the driver's side of the vehicle. Here you can still find the same DC and AC charging capabilities, with the Q4 offering 100 kilowatt DC charging to the 55 kilowatt hour battery and the 40 and 50 Q4 offering 125 kilowatt charging capability to their 82 kilowatt hour battery. This allows both models to charge from 5 to 80% in 38 minutes when using rapid charging stations. The Audi Q4 is most comparable in size to the internal combustion engine and hybrid configurable engine Q3, with a length of just over 4.5 metres and a luggage capacity of 520 litres with the rear seats up and just shy of 1500 litres with the seats down. Following almost the same dimensions and load capacity as the Q3, this Q4 offers the perfect alternative for a fully electric SUV with no compromise on space. The Q4 follows the same high-quality interior that you would expect to find in any Audi model. The Q4 comes with the added extra of the latest Audi interior design and advanced technology with the updated Virtual Cockpit and Audi Connect infotainment systems. Being a fully electrified Audi, you also gain from the added extra EV specification functions through the My Audi app, such as full remote charging functions and comfort auxiliary heated and cooling for your vehicle. The Audi Q4 e-tron is the most practical and affordable EV Audi to join our fantastic e-tron lineup, available in a wide range of stunning metallic paints with an array of optional extras and powertrain setups. The best way to experience the new Q4 is from behind the wheel, so book your appointment with your local Vindis Audi Centre today.